What a nice tour for today. I got some news. Killed Davimutson. Because Davimutson is an LPIV lover. What? Oh. I am sending to level crossing from Petten. H. Now, do you have any last words? I'm sorry for killing Davimutson. Ha! Bitch. What? Oh ho ha ho ha ho ha ho ha ho ha ho ha ho 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 ho. That's it. Goodbye forever. Oh crap.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Oh no! This is the end of me! No. What? I am dead. Hey!